Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Shah Classes and Evershine Coaching Center. I am Shah Faisal sir here. My dear students, today I am going to give you all the very important topic about 2nd PU Computer Science of Karnataka State Board. In this video, I am going to give you the very important questions, the final questions for the academic year 2021-2022. As you can see here on the screen. These are the 2-mark very important questions, and this is part 1 of your computer science crash course, or you can take it as last minute revision. And I want each and every student have to go through these all questions, try to solve these all questions once and keep it ready the material for your upcoming final board exam. The chances are very high the questions can appear from these questions. I request all the students to maintain the notes, copy these questions, make a note and start revising. These all are the very important questions. My dear students, still if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel Shah Classes, kindly do subscribe it and click the bell icon. And after watching this complete video, share this video with your all friends and also with your classmates. The PDF link of this session will be given to you in the description. You can go to the description of this video and you can download the PDF of these very important final questions. And one important note, the admissions are open for the upcoming year 2022-2023. We do conduct classes from class 1st to class 12th standard. Now, Tannery Road branch is opened. Now, recently we have closed the Shivajinagar branch. And even the address have changed of Tannery Road branch. You can contact to this respective contact number for further details. Already the admissions have started for the next upcoming batch. And 10th standard classes have already started from 5th of April 2022. If you like this class, do not forget to click the like button, share, comment. Take care. Wish you all the best of luck. Bye bye.